Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about comic script, how to make a comic script, a comic story. So this video is basically for those who has no experience on writing comic, but has a desire to write a comic. So we are going to move step by step to show you how to make a comic script. So the first thing you need is an idea. The idea of the story, the characters, and so on. The second thing you need is genre. Genre is basically the type of the story, whether comedy, drama, science fiction, action, superhero, and so on. This is up to you. Okay. The background or theme. Background is basically you have to ask yourself a question. Is it in ancient times or present or future? You have to ask yourself the places where it's going to be. Is it in the sky or the space? Is it in the forest or the desert or maybe in some specific country? This is all up to you. Okay, now outline and synopsis. These are two very, very important elements. What are they? Outline is a map of event. Basically, you tell the whole story from the beginning until the middle and the ending of the story. For example, you write episode 1 or issue 1, it's going to happen this and this. Episode 2, it's going to happen this and this. You have to be very, very, very specific, very detailed when you write in a single issue. Now, synopsis is basically summarizing the whole story in one or two sentences. Summarizing the whole story. Okay. Now, when it comes to writing, okay, of course, you are going to use word formation, the word to write down the story. So, the first thing you are going to do is write pages. Pages, page 1, page 2, page 3. I recommend that each issue, each episode, to have at least 24 pages, not more, not less. Of course, you can make it up to 42. It is up to you. But I recommend 24 pages. Okay. What is panel? Panel, can you see here? What is panel? So panel is a single frame that you show it to the readers. It has to be very, very specific and very detailed. Okay. You have, so what do I mean by very specific, very detailed? When you describe the panel, how it's going to be, this is that you have to be very specific. Because of course you are going also to collaborate with the artist. Okay, now caption or cap, SFX, sound effect, and dialogues. These three are in one single category, dialogue. Below dialogue, you write the caption or sound effect. So what is caption? Caption is a single box, small box, that you describe the place or the time, when or where. Or you can write it down on the thoughts and the thinking of the characters, what they are saying, what they are telling. Okay, now sound effect. Okay, sound effect is you add sound intensity and effect. You add excitement in the panels. For example, when you a character using two swords to block the shooting, use click, 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 click. This is sound effect. Okay. Now the dialogue is a conversation. Is talking between the characters, one character, single character. They are speaking. Okay. So this is how you make the comic script. This is for who has no experience at all, but wish to make one. One last thing about the panels, you can make from 1 to 12 panels in a single page, but I recommend that you make 1 to 5 panels in a single page. Why? Because the page can look better and not crowded and looks good. Thank you so much. So it adds sound
سوي نفس الحركة اللي سويتها عشان
sound intensity effect. Okay. Sound intensity.